14. Invisible and transparent animals found on Earth. The animal kingdom has many miracles up its sleeve, one of which is transparent animals, which can be found worldwide in various ecosystems, from deep in the sea to high in the sky. Because they are see-through, these animals appear to be made of glass. Nature created these transparent animals for them to camouflage and hide from predators expertly. We have compiled a list of such animals for you guys. Let's get started. Number 14. Moon jellyfish. The moon jellyfish, also known as moon jelly, can be found in the world's oceans. It's about the size of a plate and can be identified by the 4 circles visible through the translucent white bell. These 4 circles are the gonads, which are the reproductive organs located at the bottom of the stomach and are normally purple in color. Moon jellies have delicate tentacles that hang down from the bell's sides. They catch plankton with a mucus layer over their bells and then pass the microscopic meals into their mouth with special tentacles. Number 13. Comb jelly. Comb jellies are clear, jelly-like invertebrates with iridescent color bands. In the middle and lower Chesapeake Bay, they live near the water's surface. The Chesapeake Bay is home to 2 species of comb jellies. Comb jellies have clear, jelly-like bodies with bright iridescent color bands made of tiny hairs called combs. The bands separate the body into 8 symmetrical sections. Sea walnuts have a colorless, walnut-shaped body with 2 body lobes longer than the others. Pink comb jellies have a sac or egg-shaped body that is pinkish to reddish-brown. Comb jellies can reach a height of 4 inches. Number 12. Glass squid. Glass squids are members of the Cranchidae family, also known as cranch squids. These strange and flashy creatures deserve all of your attention. These strange marine creatures are distinguished by bulging eyes, a swollen body, and short arms, among other characteristics that distinguish them from other squids. As previously stated, the glass squid is a blue creature, but it is transparent, so it appears bluish. The most noticeable feature of them is their bulging eyes. 11. Pelagic octopus. The tuberculate pelagic octopus, also known as the football octopus, is an aquatic species found primarily in warm and temperate seas in the northern hemisphere. It is the only known species in the Ocythoidae family. Females reach a length of about a meter when fully grown. Males are much smaller, measuring around 10 centimeters. They are the only cephalopod species that has a true gas bladder. They're also the only ovipore cephalopod species known. In terms of behavior and life cycle, it is understudied. Number 10. Bristleworm. In the Chesapeake Bay, more than 110 species of bristleworms have been identified. Bloodworms, Glycera, commonly clamworm, Neanthine sucinae, capiletid threadworm, Heteromastus filiformis, freckled paddleworm, Eotone heteropoda, and red-lined worms are among these species. Bristleworms have soft, segmented bodies that are covered in tiny hair-like bristles on each side. The bristles are attached to parapodia, which are appendages. Each body segment has 1 pair of parapodia, the shape of which varies depending on the species. Most worms have a head containing eyes, antennae, and sensory palps. Number 9. Ghost shrimp. The ghost shrimp is a Palamonas family freshwater shrimp. This species is small and primarily clear in color, hence its name. Aquarists like these shrimps because they're easy to care for and act as tank cleaners. Ghost shrimp are an excellent addition to any tropical community, including other small, non-aggressive fish. The ghost shrimp are translucent. This distinct physical feature aids these shrimp in avoiding predators and makes the species appealing in any aquarium. The color of these species does not vary, but some ghost shrimp have colored spots on their back. When females reach puberty, they develop green markings on their sides. Number 8. Tortoise shell beetle. Tortoise beetles are small beetles that look like tiny turtles. Because they are rarely found in large numbers in home gardens, their feeding is primarily for show. Plants in the Convolvulaceae and Solanaceae families, such as morning glory, potatoes, tomatoes, beans, and peppers, contain them. These beetle larvae protect and disguise themselves against potential predators by using their face and debris, which they can even raise the entire mass up and onto themselves from a special structure at the tip of their abdomen. Number 7. Glasswing butterfly. The glasswing is a popular butterfly species known for its typically transparent wings, which aid in easy camouflage in the dense forests of Americas. This makes them difficult to track down. They are frequently confused with the similar-looking greta. They are migratory and can travel up to 19 kilometers per day, at a speed of up to 13 kilometers per hour. When the wings are open, they have a minimal coloration with opaque borders in dark brown and a red or orange hue. When the wings are closed, they have the same coloration. Number 6. Juvenile round-belly cowfish. This species' belly is rounded, as the common name suggests. It has 2 short horns in front of its eyes. The Indo-West and Central Pacific tropical and temperate waters are home to the round-belly cowfish. A pair of short horns in the front of eyes, a stout spine on the back, and a pair of spines near the anal fin distinguish the round-belly cowfish. The carapace's belly region is rounded, as the common name implies. The species has yellowish to brown spots and scars. The almost transparent lower portion of the head and body distinguishes juveniles. Number 5. Hydra medusa. When fully grown, Hydra medusae can range in size from a few millimeters to several centimeters. They range in texture from soft and gelatinous to firm and gristly. Although the jelly is usually clear, the manubrium, tentacles, tentacle bulbs, and gonads of living medusae can be delicately and variably colored. Certain deep-sea forms have a lot of pigmentation. In addition, some species such as Aquaria sp exhibit bioluminescence. Swimming is accomplished through the use of rhythmic pulsations of the umbrella caused by opposing forces of muscular contraction and mesoglial elasticity. Number 4. Larval flounder. Larval flounders are born with one eye on each side of their head, but as they metamorphose from larval to juvenile stage, one eye migrates to the opposite side of the body. As a result, both eyes are on the side that is facing up. The species determine the direction in which the eyes migrate. As an adult, a flounder changes its habits and camouflages itself by lying on the ocean floor to avoid predators. Flounders ambush their prey by feeding on soft, muddy seafloor areas near bridge piles, docks, and coral reefs. The diet of a flounder consists primarily of fish spawn, crustaceans, polychaetes, and small fish. Number 3. Glass frog. The glass frog, a tree frog, is found in the New World tropics with translucent bellies and chests. The viscera are visible in glass frogs, and an observer can see the heart pumping blood into the arteries and food moving through the gut. Translucency, which may also extend to the frog's sides and back, is a type of camouflage in which the frog's edges blend with its surroundings relative to brightness or darkness. Edge diffusion softens the lines separating the color of the frog's skin from the background. The underside of some species is translucent. Number 2. Pacific barrel eye. The Pacific barrel eye fish has a transparent head. As it swims through the dark ocean waters, this deep-sea creature's bright green, tube-shaped eyes help it absorb light and find prey. Its eyes move inside a clear membrane filled with fluid that shields the fish's head. Barrel eyes were first described in 1939, and marine biologists thought their eyes couldn't move for a long time. Number 1. Salpa majore. The Salpa majore is an unusual piece of ocean life. It recently caught a fisherman off the coast of New Zealand because the strange creature floating was unlike anything he had seen before. While scaly like other fish, this creature is notable for its transparency. That's all for today. Please leave a like and share the video with your friends and family. See you soon.